Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where too early or too late decides everything. The hardest is. And the highest form, too. Because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution, reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face, uncertainty, up tomorrow, intact. Decision's just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
Morning. You hear me?
Hey, good morning, Tono. How are you doing?
Good. How you doing, man?
I'm doing okay. I just realized now, since you spoke and I spoke back to you and you didn't hear me, that I've been on mute for the past 17 minutes and I've been talking to everybody. Nobody's been listening,
Oh,
obviously. Well,
that's
fortunately,
funny.
yeah. I hate it when that happens. I've done that once before. Not the first time, won't be the last time.
Been a crazy run.
Yeah, up, yeah, yep.
Yeah. Let's see where we are today. We have any news? Nothing, right?
Nothing today, right? Yeah, that run up was all through London. Yep,
Yeah.
started at the beginning of London,
Yeah.
ended just after the session.
Gold is the strongest currency. It seems to be trying to trickle his way down a little bit here.
Yeah, yep. This is Friday, New York opening range. Right after we got off last night, I caught that run down, saved my night.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good.
It's too early to be taking trades. But I don't know. This move is interesting.
Yeah.
This might just fall back to the DM4 here, but if it breaks through the DM4, we might be coming down. What's it looking like to you?
So it came down to 26 and went right back up to 20, almost 29.
Yeah,
So I mean, it doesn't mean it can't take a quick drop. It's just I'm just waiting. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. So
yeah, yeah,
even if
Yep. Funny,
see, this is
Jim.
what I was going to tell you yesterday. What I noticed is that you're not looking at the what the market is. I don't know if you're looking at it or not, but what was happening yesterday, if I can remember the numbers, which I can't, so I'll give an example. Let's say that we're looking at it right now, and it went up to 29, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't want to see it creep.
Yeah.
See what it's doing. So when you ask me what do I see it doing what the market does. You know, it plays.
Yeah.
And if you want to be aggressive, you could take those trades in between those 3 pips, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and you might get lucky on the right side of it.
Right.
So you see what it just did. It went right back up to 28,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
From 25 to 28. Most people would have taken that sell at 26.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Thinking that now it broke that support.
However,
and they
now
would
we
have got turned around at 25.
Yep.
And been stopped out, you know?
Right. And now
So
we have gold stronger than the dollar, so it might actually go up.
Now we have, exactly. So we have gold stronger than the dollar.
Yeah.
But that might be lasting from what do you call it? Last night, you know.
Yep.
But yeah, my whole thing is patience, man. It's like it's only 7:56, so if I don't get a move before 8 o'clock, I'm all right with that. And
Yeah.
if it takes me 8:15, 8:30, I'm all right with that.
Yep. Yep.
Because other than that, once you take that loss for the day, you're no longer trading for profit. You're trading to catch up.
Yep. Yep.
And that is frustrating.
Yep.
So it kind of blows your whole day in a sense that now, no matter how good you trade, you're still on the back burner.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
So now I flip my mind. It's no longer 26. I'm looking at 25. Right?
Mm-hmm.
26, 25, give or take. And if anything, if I'm going to take anything, I'm going to take it back at 25, 26, back up.
Back up. Yeah. Yeah.
Right now, you probably could have threw in a buy, but we'll see.
Too close to the 8 o'clock, I think.
Yeah, it's too close to the 8. There's a, I think it's a bear volume at 24-ish, 2390, 24.
Uh, 2390.
On the 1 minute.
2390. That's way up there. Oh wait a minute.
You don't see it?
You said 2390. What did you say? Where is it?
Did I say 23? Oh, 23, 20, 43, 23, 90.
43, 2390. On the 1 minute, I don't see that. Nope.
That might be the run. That's a run.
Yeah. It's 8 o'clock.
You don't see it?
No.
Well, that was the 8 o'clock candle.
right back.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that trade I took last night after we got off was a perfect trade. My entry was perfect and my exit was perfect. I got the entire move.
Yeah, and $500 is a hell of a trade.
Yeah, yep,
You know, for one trade, especially.
yeah.
You know.
I'm just going to let the market breathe this morning. I'm not going to take a trade for a little while on purpose, even if the market shows it to me, because I get chopped up on Fridays pre 8:30, 8:45, no matter what.
Hmm.
I say that, but then it's going to show me something I can't resist. Signals group I belong to just sent out a get ready to buy signal. Not yet, but they're going to say buy here in a minute. They're a shitty signals group. I wouldn't follow them, but
Are they trading futures?
yep, they just sent the buy. No, they're trading spot. They just sent the buy order. Stop loss at 43.24. Take profit at 43.33.8. It's already at 43.32, so they're wanting that 1 pip move right up to the MM4 or whatever that is, the MR1.
If they said put a buy in, they're hitting the MR1 43.33 on the
Yeah.
monthly pivot.
Yep. They're only trying to get to 43.33.8. That's their
Oh,
take
they're trying to
profit.
get 1 pip?
I guess so, yep. But that's what they always do. They put on these very small moves.
They must be trading pretty large lot sizes.
Their second take profit is 43.36. Now I expect a message growing about how they hit the first take profit. Yep, now they're crowing about it. Take profit 35 pips, well, which means
3.5.
Yeah.
So that they just hit me back and said that remember I made the mistake of opening the trade on the second account.
Yeah.
So they said it would when you pass the account, it would actually violate the principle
Yeah.
of copy trading. However, if it's just one instance, they would overlook it and allow you to pass the challenge with it.
Right.
But if I did it again,
right,
it would be the end.
That's good. That's good.
So now I just keep one up. I don't know why I have both of them up anyway. It's stupid.
You need to go outside. You need to go outside. Outside? You want to come on out?
Why did the dollar get so weak? It was right next to gold a second ago.
It's cold outside, man. It's cold outside. Oh, I just went outside. It's cold. 25 degrees. Jesus.
What is it?
25 degrees.
It was colder than that a couple days ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, but I didn't go outside a couple days ago. Today I just opened the door for the dog and I walked out on the terrace and I was like, whoa, I'm in bare feet.
Oh, yeah.
There ain't nothing that need to be going on out there. 25 degrees.
I had to let the dog out.
Hey.
Oh, boy. Okay.
E-Man, you funny. When you come on, say, hey, guys, let us know you're on.
I just came on when he was talking about 25 degrees.
We be sitting up here talking about you and don't realize you're listening.
That's good. I just got on, man. I had a rough night last night, man. I couldn't get no sleep. I woke up at like 4 o'clock.
Oh, me too.
And I knew that I was going to wind up falling back to sleep right before it's time to get up.
You should trade it.
Yeah.
I know it. I wanted to get up.
Then you didn't have to get on this morning. You could have just slept through it.
I
You
saw
know.
it drop down like this, man.
So we got a 38
Oh, it
at the
went up.
DR2.
I
Yeah.
said I saw it drop down to 37, but it went up.
Yeah, no, it went up.
Oh Lord.
How do you stay on your blanket? My wife went to Florida last night to go see her dad. She's coming back tonight or tomorrow. And I was hungry. And I don't know if I explained to you, but they detected mold in half of our apartments. So we're living in half of our apartment. So it's kind of cramped quarters in here. And the kitchen's in the other half of the apartment. And so it's hard to make food. So I decided I'd order some food. I ordered a bunch of Popeyes, man, and I pigged out on fried chicken and mashed potatoes and coleslaw, and man, I got a full tummy.
Wow.
And they brought it to the door.
That's the only thing I miss about, one of the things I miss about New York.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 300 restaurants around us that will all deliver. Oh, my indicators aren't working.
Slow. DR2 is 38, and it was rejected.
My indicator with the bear and bull volume is, oh no,
1,
there it
2,
is.
3, 4 times.
What do you say? What are you talking about? Rejected off of this level?
The DR2 is at 38. Huh?
Never mind. Go ahead.
What'd you say, Mike?
I got confused. I
No,
didn't
I'm
understand what
saying
you
it
said.
rejected like 3 or 4 times.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
3 times, yeah. Gold's significantly stronger than the dollar right now. But we're at significant resistance on the daily pivot chart, as well as the 5-minute and the 15-minute, but the daily pivot chart looks especially treacherous. All right, we're just waiting for price to do something that gets our attention. It had a nice little run up there, but that was at 8 o'clock. And on a Friday, I'm just not trading at 8 o'clock. Too many jerky moves and institutional orders going in and profit taking, end of the week sort of stuff. Shenanigans. Okay, gold is getting weaker and price is coming down. So it might be doing another one of these things if it breaks below the MR1. This is the MR1 right here. So you see prices come up, it's coming back down to the MR1. Below that, we've got the range where we started the day, but that doesn't mean anything. There's, doesn't mean there's chop. We can go into that and trade all the way down to the bottom or even through the bottom of that channel. If so. Okay, so again. Looks like it wants to push through.
Still under that DR2. So
yeah,
be careful.
under the DR2.
Break that clean.
There's also a swing high there on the 1 minute. Swing ranges, chart prime. Where is that? That one come off of my charts. That's weird. You know my swing ranges, the one that shows the bull volume and the bear volume? The indicator? It just, for some reason, just disappeared from all my charts. Yeah.
What's that?
Put it back now.
Yeah. Yeah. It's gone. Yeah. It breaks this DR2, man. It's got a nice little clear pathway up.
look at the daily pivot chart.
Uh-huh.
Do you see a resistance? Yeah.
Yeah, well, I would, when I say break, I mean at least 40, 41, which should be, let me see, which should be above that resistance. Yeah, 40, mine says 43.40, 65, right?
You don't have another resistance right above it?
No, you do?
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, I'll show you what I have.
Where's it at?
I'll just take a picture of it.
Well, this resistance that's what's holding it down now is on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15-minute Haganashi. That's at 30. I don't even like it now that I'm looking at it on the 15. The 5 minute is at 40.
I just sent that to you.
Yeah, it's 40 on all of them. Okay. Oh no, I don't have that.
Huh.
Wow. What's that about? No, I got a clean run up.
Huh.
Glad you showed that to me.
Well, no, let's go by your chart.
Yeah, right.
I'd rather not know about
It's
it.
funny because sometimes it's,
Yeah.
you want to know.
Yeah, no, I know.
Let's see how it moves. If the momentum is there,
Yeah.
then that resistance, I don't know if it's valid or not, but it looks like it's holding pretty tight.
Hey, man, after we got oh, look at that. That's a impulse up. That's the 830 right there.
Mm-hmm.
Might push through here. So, E-Man, last night, you remember when, oh shit. Wow. Did you get in?
No, there's a bear bull volume right above it.
Yeah.
Would have been a nice trade.
Yeah.
Now let's see what happens.
So last night I said I got, I was 1,100 down, 600 from the morning session, and then 500 just from a few minutes last night. As soon as we got off, price went down. I jumped in and made my $500 back, then called it a night.
I don't think email listening.
It's pushing through here, isn't it? Man, I'm going to know how to play all these songs on the piano, and I'm not even going to have to practice them. Got them so in my head.
Yeah.
Just sit
You
down
know
at the
every
piano and
note.
start playing them.
Yeah.
Might have to go here if this breaks through. Come on, consolidate here a little bit, and then let's push up to that WR3. Did you play any musical instruments, Tono?
I play bass, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't play the trumpet, Tono, too?
No.
What do you play, man?
A little piano, a little guitar,
Yeah.
little drums.
Yeah.
I'm not good at nothing.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? A little harmonica.
Yeah.
I took lessons and everything. I just never practiced.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man.
So you play the piano?
I took 7 or 8 years of piano as a kid, and my grandmother was a piano and an organ teacher and an accordion teacher. So then I had an accordion. And let me tell you, if you want to get chicks, play the accordion. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. And then when I started playing in band in junior high and high school, I played the drums, which I loved. But I had a lot of musical talent, and I lived in a fairly small town. So in band, there were like 60 kids or something. So you had to, you needed kids on all the instruments, and I had a lot of musical talent. So the band teacher took me off the drums, and they needed a tuba player. So then I played tuba for a while. Then they needed a baritone saxophone player. So then I played that for a while.
Goodness.
And then in marching band, I played the toms, the drums. But so anyway, and then I taught myself guitar in college. My dad played guitar, so he helped me. But all in all, I've learned how to mistreat all of the instruments, but I'm not a master of any of them. Not even close.
Same here.
Yeah.
I got a piano in the barbershop.
Oh, nice.
And a guitar sitting right here beside me.
Nice. I've got a guitar in the other room that has had one string on it for like 3 years. I haven't strung it up in 3 years.
Well, it's not worse than mine. I've been needing 5 strings for 5 years. Hey, I tried to pick it up, play it in here about last week. I was like, man, this thing's so off. I'm on 52. I don't know, you still in the trade?
I'm in the trade, yeah. I'm in from 41. Remember back when I said if it breaks 40, 41, I'll get in the trade. I just put a pending order in. I'm not trying to be emotional with it, anything today.
Yeah.
I'm letting my pending order just kick in, and I'll take the profit off if it hits the right spot. But other than that, I'm just going to put a couple of pending orders in. It's been up to 205, and I didn't take the profit.
Yeah. I'm in too. I've been up. I got in kind of late. I got in at 43, 43, 60.
Where'd you get in, Tono?
41.
Ah, you didn't call your trade. Leaving
No,
me in the
remember, I
dark.
just said it.
Oh.
No, I said, remember we were talking about when if it broke the R2 and you said there was resistance?
Yeah.
I said, if it breaks 41, I'll get in.
Oh, yeah.
Well, instead of me just getting in, I just put a pending order in at 41.
Oh.
And it just triggered, and it's just already, it would have paid me 250 or something like that, and I just didn't cash out. So it went up to 250, down to negative 37, back up to $100 now. And I think if it gets back up to 250, I'll just close it out.
Yeah. That's a really good trade.
I'm not 100% this morning for some reason. I feel very off.
Can you see my screen, E-Man?
Yeah, I can.
This is me in the 90s. I had a hit song in Spain.
That's cool.
That was me in the
But
90s.
now you need to just convert it to America.
Yeah.
So why'd you stop playing, man? Ah,
Let's see. This album was released in '99. I was already working in the music industry. I already had a pretty big job. I was the marketing director at the Olympic venues in Barcelona. I toured a little bit, but the market was small. I sold enough for them to give me another record, but I never made another record.
So you learned Spanish pretty good.
Oh, I lived over there for almost 30 years. Yeah, 20-some years.
Do you still make money off that song over there? Still doing this thing?
A little bit, not very much. A little bit.
yeah, I should have took the profit when it was that 250 on that trade.
That's exactly what I'm thinking I should have did, man. I was up. I should have took that little $12 because you don't know if it might crack it. I think it is, but it might fall back 15 pips before it do.
Yeah.
So you put that pending order in it when it got there because if it spiked, you wanted to get in and get it. Is that why you put the pending order in?
Yeah. The way I look at it, remember I said my chart had a clean run?
Yeah.
Look at my chart right now. I'll take a picture. Same chart that yours shows that double resistance.
Yeah. Hasn't come in yet. I'm waiting for it. There it is. Oh yeah, I see.
So I put it pending at 41. I figured if it broke 41, it was going to spike up, and it did. It went up 5 pips to 46. I just wasn't looking at it. I let me stop lying. I was looking at it, but I just wanted more.
I see.
Yeah. Because there was nothing else up there, so I figured there's nothing else stopping it. I can get maybe 10 pips on this one trade.
Right.
I was greedy.
I get that.
So
it is 8:46.
You might want to even play with that on one account, Mike.
Pending orders?
See if that works for you.
Yeah, I might try that. Yeah.
Yeah, in other words, you know how your entries are quick.
Yeah.
If you, like right now, let's say that it's at 34, and you believe that it's going to go down.
Yeah.
You might want to put a pending order at 32.
Right.
And let it trigger yourself in just far enough away so that you're not jumping your entries.
Yeah. Yeah.
And worry about your own exits.
Yeah.
As opposed to your entries.
Yeah. Okay, I might try that.
It just might be the solution to the problem. Being greedy because I would have had 250 plus 171 would have gave me 421 for the day. That's what greedy gets you.
Yeah.
It gets all of us.
Yeah.
I want more. And belly full and him still want more. What I'll probably do now is just put a TP on it at 45.50, right below the day's high.
Yeah. Makes sense. In case it wicks up there and gets you out. Yeah. And where will you put your pending
and
hedge?
I'll put a pending. I'll probably put my pending hedge at, let's see,
20?
50. No, I wouldn't go that low. Let me see.
26?
Yeah, about 26. Yeah. Yeah, about 26. Are you trading on Trade Locker?
No. I'm trading on Trade-O-Vate.
Trade-O-Vate. Okay.
Just directly at the broker. And then I watch my trade on TradingView. I really just use the buy and sell button on Trade-O-Vate. And that's where I have my 1 second
Right.
chart running on Trade-O-Vate.
Well, you jammed up, E-Man?
No, I got that one trade in the top. You know, I'm in a drawdown. I'm in the negative right now.
Yeah. Where'd you get in?
At 43.
Okay. I think I'm gonna jump off. I'm not feeling my best. I got my pending set and my pending head set and my take profit in.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Allergies, I think, man.
Feel better?
Yeah, I'm so congested.
I'll ping you this
All right.
afternoon if you're
I'll
around.
see you guys. Yeah, ping me around.
Okay.
All right, fellas.
All right. See
All
you,
right.
Tono. Bye-bye.
See, that's the thing about a hedge. Like right now, I'm hedged at 34.
Yeah. Oh,
Now, is it
yeah.
turning around to keep
Right.
like right here? Now
Yeah.
you jump out, you lost 30. You know.
Yeah, I hate that
And
too.
I'm
That's
sure because it out of it this time, it will go all the way back up.
yeah.
You know?
You might have to get out of the top one first and on the way out, on the way down, and then ride it back
Yeah.
down and make the bottom one your profit trade.
Yep.
Volatility in the market
And
right
see,
now.
thing about it, like, look at it, huh?
It's a little volatility in the market right now.
Right. And that's what killed me so much this week, man.
Yeah, yeah,
I lost a lot of money because of this. Because trying to jump out and catch and here's the kicker. Because I'm trading a small account, you only can put 2 trades in.
right, yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
So I kind of gotta keep those hedges off. You know,
yeah, yeah,
uh, with the smaller account, you need to hedge like 5 pips away.
yeah.
What I did a few minutes ago earlier, and then I got out of it, and then it dropped back down to 33 on me. Then I jumped back in.
Mm-mm.
You know,
Yeah.
yeah. I think it's trying to go back up. I just lost my morning's profit.
Uh,
Yeah, because I still think it's trying to go on up. You know,
yeah.
I'm gonna run the risk of making that $40 back on the way. And now it's kind of tough because you really can't even throw in another buy trade. You know, to
Yeah.
capitalize on that.
Right.
We're already at the top of the market.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So you married her when she came back over here, or you married her while you was over there in Spain?
No, she's from here, but we met over there. We actually met in 2003, so we've been together for 22 years, but we've only been married for 12 of them. We got married here in 2013. Yeah.
Yeah, versus get married over there.
Yeah.
What was the chance of meeting another American over there? Is it American culture over there, or
No,
American
not
people,
really.
or
I had
by chance ran into each other?
no, my company. I mean, you do run into Americans over there if you want to, but most of my friends are native from. Hang on, I might take a trade here. Oh, pushing out of the swing high. If it pushes here through this Renko, through the resistance on the Renko, I might jump in. My company, I had a company, and we had hired a PR agency here in New York. And I was dealing with one of the partners at the PR agency, but every once in a while, this woman, another partner, would pick up the phone, and I didn't really know her. I'd just say, is Paul there? And this is Mike McCready, and she'd be like, yeah. And then one day she calls me up, and she says, hey, this is Alyssa at the PR agency. I know we don't know each other very well, but my little sister Eve is moving to Barcelona, and she doesn't know anyone. Can I give her your telephone number? And that's how I met her.
Mm.
Yeah.
And she was Eve.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's like a story movie.
I know, right?
So did you ever finally meet her sister?
Oh yeah, yeah,
The
yeah.
one that hooked y'all up.
Oh yeah, yeah. In fact, I knew her first. You know, I'd met her in person
Yeah.
first, actually, I think. And yeah, I mean, now we're family, so.
Yeah. Now you said your wife name is Eve, right?
Eve, like Adam and
You
Eve,
said
yeah. Eve, like Adam and Eve, yeah.
Right. I had a lady friend named Eve.
Mm.
Well, she, matter of fact, she's the only one I know named Eve.
Yeah, there aren't very many.
I guess since she was the first woman that screwed up everything, anybody want to?
Right. Why'd you gotta eat the damn apple, Eve?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Just that's your only goal is not to eat it. That's the one
You had one job.
Yeah. You had to bring this lame dude down here. He destroyed all of us, but God gave him the power.
Yeah.
I ain't got the power.
That was emotionally exhausting. I should not have gotten into that trade.
Yeah, it's finna. I think it's finna start moving. Now, part of me want to jump out and wait and see, take that little profit.
Yeah, I took a
You
look.
know, it's a little resistant on the 5 minute
Yeah,
that it's up against.
yeah.
Might see if it break 45 before I jump back in.
Yeah. Yeah. Hattie, behave.
Just right quick, we gotta go grab something.
Hattie, come on. Come on, every day. Hattie, come on. Stop it. Took 70 on that one.
Say that again.
I took 70 on that trade that I got in, and then, but it was like pulling teeth, and it was emotionally exhausting.
Yeah, I know. That is emotionally exhausted.
Yeah.
Got away with words when you trade, huh? You'll find some, bro. I'm telling you, man. It'll beat you up.
Yeah.
I don't really know what to do right now.
Well, I want it to break through 46, 47, and then maybe ride it up to 50.
That's the safest place.
Yeah.
That is the safest spot.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna just shoot up there. It ain't gonna slow ride up there. It's gonna just shoot up.
Yeah. If it does, I mean, I guess we'll miss it. I'm not gonna
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna cry about that. You know.
Yeah, because it could drop back down 10, 15 more pips just to get some steam.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm down $23 on the day.
Hmm.
I made $73 last night. Right after you got off,
Yeah.
I made $73 in Tono.
I was done, and I was mad. I was pissed off because I made the mistakes. I was really upset with myself. And then we got off, and I was about to turn YouTube off, and I saw it starting to come down, and I said, you know what? That's a solid move. I'm going to jump in. And it was textbook. I was just like, wow.
Yeah.
2 minutes, 30 seconds, $555. I was like,
On one trade?
on one trade. Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, good read. That's a real good read.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to say I didn't get lucky too. You get lucky.
Well, it's all luck plays a part in it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's moving real volatile. But it's trading in the range though from 37 to 44.
Yeah. Yep. I'll be right back. But I'm not taking it because I haven't been watching the. What do you find the hardest part of trading?
Getting in and out of these hedges.
Yeah. Yeah. Agreed.
That's where I lose a lot of money at, right there. I've
Yeah.
blown so many accounts trying to get in and out of the head.
Yeah. I'll tell you.
That's what I told you. Good.
I decided. Well, once I switched to futures, which I switched to futures because Tono said we were switching to futures to try out these prop firms, and I just started, and I realized that, okay, I might be able to hedge effectively after I've learned the market really well with stop losses, but that was also my Achilles heel, and switching to futures has helped me with that because I don't have to hedge.
Right.
But I know I'll go back to hedging because I've gained such a better understanding of how the market moves now that I think I can intuitively hedge better than I used to be able to.
I'm gonna tell you something. I was talking to Tono about what you speak about just yesterday. I told him that getting in and out of hedges all these years I've been trading, it's just understanding the market. Some things, man, not gonna be in front of you.
Yeah.
Some things you're gonna have to rely on your understandings, knowing when to get out, when to stay in, just knowing how the market moves.
Yep.
Once you figure out how the market moves, you won't jump in and out so much.
Right.
You won't trades won't be as risque for you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yep.
And you hit the nail on the head with that. I'm telling you, once you learn just understanding, just sitting down every day.
Yep. Yeah.
It's gonna teach you a whole lot. Cause man, the truth is this: I've always put money in. Always.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was a rock star when I started. I was putting money in every day. I was like, huh? What? Yeah.
This is coming down. I can see the gold is getting weaker, so.
Yeah, after it didn't break that 45 for so long, it got to fall.
Yeah.
It has to fall. But the 37 is stopping it. 38, 37, that resistance range right there.
Yep, there's a swing high right there. If you see in my 1 minute chart, this purple.
Did you see where Jeff turned 1,000 into 16,000?
Who did?
Jeff.
No. When?
Someone told me about it 2 days ago.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. Good for him.
Yeah. I told Tono, I said, I remember that. I had 4 accounts, and they were like $1,500, $2,000 accounts, something like that. And I turned it into 12,000.
Oh, wow.
And got in the head on a Wednesday night, just playing around. I came home from church and said, take this trade. Moving around, I had lost all of it by the 2 weeks later. It was gone. I was fighting hedges all the way down.
Yeah, that's rough.
Yeah, man, that was years ago. I was about 4 years ago, man. I was like, God. But at that day, I had proved myself that I can put some real jack in here, you know?
Yeah.
I just couldn't get it out.
Right.
Yep, I was up to 12 grand. I told Tono the other day, I said, what I didn't know to do was delete that trade and keep my money and pull out my profits. That's
yeah.
what I didn't know to do. Press delete.
Right.
I said that would have saved me a whole lot of time.
Yeah. It's gonna pay. It's gonna pay. Well, this is completely fizzled out. Let's see if here at 9:30 it does something.
Yeah.
3 minutes for the New York Stock Exchange open.
Yeah, we stuck in this trough.
Yeah, we're gonna get out, but the 9:30 is gonna move it one way or the other, I think, or maybe even a little bit before. Looks like we're pushing.
There we go. There it goes, moving in 9.
Yeah,
It's definitely trying to go up, man.
yeah.
If I could ride it to 52, I might call it for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, right there. That's what we need. Tono got paid. It's over with.
Well, he got out. He got out. I don't think he got paid very much. He got paid, I guess, 2 pips, right?
Now,
Oh no, he got in at 41.
41.
41, right.
He,
Yep, he got paid.
yeah, he'd make a good $300 off that run.
Yep. At 9:30, I want to see it push down and then turn right around and come up.
I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it in one direction.
Okay, 1 minute for 9:30. Exactly. Come on down here, and then at 9:30, you're going to turn around. There's 9:30. All right, guess we're going down.
Yeah, that thing dropped, didn't it? I wasn't even looking at it. I heard you say it. Look, I don't know if it's a pull back
Yeah, I think it's
to push up. I can jump back in it. A pullback.
I think so.
I hope so. So I can jump back in it and ride it back up. It got that long wick that dropped to 33. That's what I was expecting it to do, something like that. Oh. See, it's volatile right now. You know.
Yeah. Yeah.
It,
I don't want to take it in this
I know
little
I'm trying to
range
stay
right
cautious. Here's what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid it's gonna slowly creep back up there where I could have made some money, but it's so scary,
now.
you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah, exactly.
no direction.
Yeah.
It's safer to just miss out on the money, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah.
You took a sale.
Yep, but it stopped me out.
Yeah, I'm gonna say I think it's dropping back right now. The eyes moving. Yeah, it's really no way you can determine what's going on yet. Now we gotta look green.
Ah, motherfucker.
Hey,
Get back up there.
exactly what you I just said. As soon as I jump in with a buy, I just said it really ain't no way to determine what it's doing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Is this some news coming?
I don't think there's any news here now. Keep on going. Keep going.
Yeah, we should be going back up though.
Trying to concentrate here. Did you get some of that?
Nah, not yet. It hadn't put me in profit yet. It got really
Okay.
close. I'm in at 30.
Yeah. I got
It was
315 out of that one. Yeah.
yeah, you I heard when you got in.
Yeah.
So you rolled the dice on that one.
I did. I did. I rolled the dice a little bit.
And this is why I didn't want to get in. Now you see what it's just all over the place.
Yeah. Too much volatility.
Yeah, you can get lucky, you know, in the guessing game. But as
Yeah.
soon as I held out, the thing about holding out, looking for luck,
Yeah.
is you be at the top of the market like I am right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When you should have been in early like you did, if you're gonna, you know,
Yeah.
if you're gambling like that, you might catch a few pips.
I think I got in right on the pivot. I don't know what's wrong with me. I wasn't watching. Now it's deciding to
There
go. Yeah.
We're gonna take that 50 pound off right quick. Gonna get that little money.
Yeah.
50 ball. All right, let's see what I need to do. Man, I probably need to shut it down. I'm up $105.
Might be time to shut it down given how the market is today.
Exactly. Once it's starting to move like this, it's time to set it out, at least for an hour. Even though in an hour, it'll be up to 90.
Yeah.
That's what it did to us yesterday.
I want to take it from this level to the WR3.
Yep. That's what I thought I was going to get 52 out of it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And it's trying to get there.
Yeah.
I want to jump back in it right now, but it's so scary.
Yeah. Yeah.
That'll be a no growth trade.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Man. That's exactly why I took that $50 off the table right there. It's back in the 30s again. Ride it back up and catch me another 50. Or down. Took a while. But we finally.
It's trying. It's trying.
I should have just caught that last run up and bought it, but it was moving so sporadic.
Yeah.
I didn't think it'd come up,
Yeah.
shoot
Yeah.
up like that.
Yeah. It wasn't a safe trade.
That would have been a good one to take.
Yeah, but it wasn't safe.
Say again?
It wasn't safe. It wasn't safe.
No, it wasn't at all. But I think we're here now. It's lingering around 45.
Yep.
Yeah, it's going.
Fuck. God damn it. God damn it. Go. Go.
I'm so many time before it flip switches. I'm new to that. I just started that shit.
I just took it.
Already? Yeah, but I'm on 52. There we go.
Might not get to 52. Right on this push.
That again, you don't think it's gonna get there?
I don't know. There's a bare volume right here at 51 and a half or so.
Okay. Yeah, I just took mines.
Yeah.
You know, we in that range.
Yeah. Good.
Let's see where I'm at. Yeah, 131. So let's see. I got my 10 pips. I really ought to leave it alone.
If you got your 10 pips, I'd definitely leave it alone. I mean, that's not financial advice. I don't give financial advice. but yeah, if you got your 10 pips on a day like today, man, I'd call that a good day.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, man. Call it, man. And there you go, 52 right there.
Right there. Yep.
All right, brother, I'm gonna leave it alone, man.
All right. Have a good one, E-Man. I'll see you next week. Have a good weekend.
Right. All right.
1 minute for 10 o'clock, YouTube. Fuck you. Down just a bit, please. Holy shit. That sucked. I got slipped there. I got out with profit, and it took it away from me. That was a very Judas move. Come on, asswipe. Give me a lot more than that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, you motherfucker. You come down. So now what am I going to do? Go the fuck down. Please come down. Please come down. I'm begging with the market now. I hate this. Down. Walk away. Why can't I learn? Why can't I learn? What did I do wrong today? One more trade. One more trade. Three.
Someone's at the front doorbell.
Yeah, I was talking to the guy when he called. Like when you do that, I'm like talking to the guy, and then the phone's ringing, and I'm like, "What's going on?" It's all right. He just wanted us to turn the heat down in the apartment, but I told him we couldn't. Yeah. How you doing? Are you with your dad now? All right. I had a bad morning. Yeah. You did too? Because of me? Oh, me too. Bye. You want to go for a walk?